Hello, welcome back with another video. Today we discuss about how to make a website with wixwebsite.com. Create a website you are proud of. Discover the platform that gives you the freedom to create, design, manage, and develop your web presence exactly the way you want. The freedom to create the website you want, design and build your own high quality website. So whether you are performing your businesses, showcasing your work, opening your store and starting a blog, you can do it all with the Wix website builder. Build your unique online presence. To create your own website, follow these steps. Customize your site, pick a template and customize anything or answer a few questions and get a free website designed just for you with Wix website. Add advanced features, start your own blog, add an online stores and accept bookings online. You can always add more features as you grow. Edit your mobile view, check out the mobile optimized version of your site, switch to the mobile editor to personalize it even more. Optimize for search engine, answer a few questions about your website, location and keywords and get a personalized SEO plan to get found online with Wix website. There is some professionally designed website templates and there is a lot of huge collections. Choose from 500 plus customizable website templates that are built to meet your business needs. There is some blogs, there is some related blogs, templates, business related, photography related, design related, online store related and education related templates. Wix editor total design freedom, start from scratch or choose from over 500 designers made templates that you can fully customize using the drag and drop website builder. Make your site comes to life with video background, scroll effects and animations. With the Wix editor you can create your own professional website exactly like the way you want it. Wix ADI get online fast, answer a few simple questions, and Wix ADI mean artificial design intelligence will instantly build the personalized website just for you. You choose your styles, change the layout, and add any features you need for your business, like an online store and booking system. When you're ready, go live in a click. Velo by Wix Open Dev Platform. Build professional website application web Build professional web applications with serverless computing and hassles-free coding. Manage all your content from integrated databases. Add your own code in the built-in IDE or work in your own environment and contact hundreds of APIs. Plus you get total design freedom from the Wix editor and optimized business applications. Okay, see you in next part 2. Bye bye, see you, take care.